Today is Holy Saturday, which is called Black Saturday, Sabado Santo, the day between Good Friday and Easter Sunday. The term Black Saturday is used in some Christian traditions to signify the sorrow and mourning following Jesus' death on the cross. The word black symbolizes grief, silence, and the darkness of the tomb where Jesus lay. This is a quiet day with no Mass celebrated until the Easter Vigil at night. Holy Saturday is a day of silence, waiting, and hope. The world seems to pause between the sorrow of Good Friday and the joy of Easter. The disciples were lost in grief, their hearts burdened by uncertainty. But beneath the silence, God was at work. This day invites us to trust even in the silence of God. There are moments in life when we feel abandoned, when prayers seem unanswered, and when darkness overshadows our hearts. Holy Saturday reminds us that silence is not absence. It is the space where faith is tested and hope is purified. The tomb was sealed, but it was not the end of the story. In the quiet of Holy Saturday, we learn to wait. Naghihintay tayo, believing that resurrection is coming. When we face struggles, when life feels like a long Holy Saturday, we hold on to hope. Easter dawns after the darkest night. Let us embrace this silence with trust. Tiwala lang. Have you ever wondered why we honor Mary every Saturday? It's a popular devotion, of course, and it's even liturgical. The memorial of our Blessed Virgin Mary on Saturdays. Why? It is because of her unique role on this day, Holy Saturday. While the disciples were scattered and in despair, tradition holds that Mary remained steadfast in faith, believing in the promise of Jesus' resurrection. This unwavering hope and trust in God make her an example of faith for the Church. And Saturday is seen as a day to honor her steadfastness. Like Mary, who held on to the faith in the promise of her Son, we wait. Let us prepare our hearts, for soon the Alleluia will break forth, and the light of the risen Christ will shine again. Hope is never buried. It rises.